Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to use the loudness normalization on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Mercedes infotainment system. Let's swipe to the left, select here the car icon, so the settings. Here from the top menu, let's select the System tab. Under System, let's select Audio, and from the Audio, select the last option, which is the Entertainment. From Entertainment, all you need to do is select the Loudness and Normalization, and when you turn it on, the car tries to keep the volume level consistent between different songs or different sources, like switching, for example, from quiet Spotify track to a loud radio station, so you don't have to keep adjusting the volume knob. It could be useful. I like to have this in the medium level. You can completely turn it off or use the maximum level of this feature. In my case, as I said, let me choose medium. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.